Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, probably years. I'm replacing the charger port on this Samsung tablet. It's the TS290. So let's get started. Also, this is my first time. So let's see what we gotta do here. First, you wanna pop this out with this. This comes with your when you buy it, yeah. You just take that out, set it to the side. In fact, move this over here. And this is like a little guitar pick, but it's not. Then you got one of these right here. So basically, you're just gonna go around the edges and pull it out. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Hold on. Get started here. I should have tried to do it with that small one. Hold on, let me get the right side. Okay, that was a little, seemed like harder than I thought trying to work with these plastic things here, which one of them actually broke on me, so that sucks. And as you can see, this piece right here kind of messed up too on me. But I did get it open. So basically just go around the edges like you started from here and just pop it up. It comes off. It's the back. Okay. Now, this is the charger port down here. So, see? Man, these screws are so small. Get my eyes right. I don't know what that is, but let's see. Hold on. They did send screwdrivers with this little kit. I can get it loose. All right, take this loose first. I don't know if this screwdriver is magnetic. Let's see. Nope, it's not. And remember where you're taking things apart from. Let's see here. Hold on. Take this piece out here. Get it out the way. All right. Excuse me. All right. Now, I'm going to take the rest of this stuff off here. I don't have no, like, electric tools, you know, power tools and that like that. Alrighty. Now I was gonna take this to the spot to get it repaired, but it's like they was charging you more than what this thing actually costs brand new. So I was like, hey, let me repair it myself then. I found the part for way cheaper than what they was trying to sell me the part for $120. But okay, you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7 screws to take out of here before this little cover comes up. And you got like a little tab right here and a tab over here. That kind of, it's like a little tab, as you can see. You see this spot right here? Right there is a tab. And then on this side is a tab. Once you take, you know, all your screws out. Yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 7 screws in all on this right here before you can remove that out your way. Okay. It's a little piece of tape going across here, you guys. You want to get that off first. You can see it sticking on there. You see that coming up right there? It's real sticky, I tell you that. Just want to move it out your way. I'm going to just stick mine right over here. And then it's a little tab that you have to move back to take this off. You see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. But just move it out the way. And then I just got some little tweezers here, hoping that they're going to work. I don't want to hit it too hard there. Get this. They like too big, I tell you that. Little piece is just fit down in there, and I just put it right here and just pull it out. You see that? That's all you have to do there is pull that little piece out. And you will pull this up. Uh-oh, my bad, you guys. Okay, it's got this little sticky thing on there. So I'm gonna try to, if I can see this. I'm gonna peel these little things off. Okay, I got this. You see this little shiny piece here and here? This piece right here was stuck on there, and this piece over here. I tried to peel it off a little bit, but as you can see, I don't know what happened to this side of it down here. This is the old one. Y'all probably couldn't even tell that it's messed up in there, but I don't know. But it's the new one. Let's see. This is the new one. This is the old one. That piece right there kind of messed up a little bit, but let's put it back in here. Don't forget to pull your little tab up right here so you can stick this circuit board back in there. So it's on there now. Just snap it back down. Okay, got it back in there. As you can see, just put that tab down. Once you do that, then it falls right back on the spot down there. Back on that whole top there. Alright. And then you put your screws back in there. Snap it back. We'll see if this thing is going to charge. Don't forget to tighten your screws up here. If I can get it in there. Oh. I'm doing more shaking than screwing. Okay, you got 2 screws up there. Yeah, I see it. 1, 2. Let's see if this thing is going to charge. Break it again. Oh, it's charging, guys. Wasn't doing that before. Let's see. Is it going to tell us how much percentage is on it? I'm sure it's 0. It's charging though. It wasn't even doing that before.
Not at all.
Alright, so
It ain't happening.
I'm about to unplug it so we can put it back, so I can put the case back on.
Must be all the way dead.
Yeah, it was all the way dead. It had no percentage in it. Okay. Put the case back on, guys, and that's gonna be in this video. So y'all stay tuned for more content. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm out.